Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuit decoration. First, gather your essential tools, including piping bags, various tips, and a range of food colorings. Next, prepare your royal icing, ensuring it has the perfect consistency for both outlining and flooding. Remember, your biscuits must be completely cooled before you begin decorating to prevent any melting or smudging of your beautiful designs. Now, let's master the core techniques. Begin by using a stiff consistency icing to create precise outlines on your biscuits. This forms a barrier for your flood icing. It's crucial to let these outlines dry for at least 15 minutes, or until firm to the touch. Then, flood the outlined area with a slightly thinner icing, gently spreading it evenly to the edges using a small tool or toothpick. Once your flood icing is dry, it's time to add those beautiful details. Experiment with wet-on-wet techniques for stunning marbling or playful polka dot patterns. For intricate designs, a fine-tipped brush and edible food coloring pens work wonders. Don't forget to add edible glitter, sprinkles, or sugar pearls for extra sparkle and delightful texture, making each biscuit truly unique and eye-catching. The final, crucial step is proper drying and storage. Allow your beautifully decorated biscuits to dry completely for 6 to 8 hours at room temperature. This ensures the icing hardens perfectly. Once fully dry, store them in an airtight container, where they will remain fresh for up to 2 weeks. Remember to separate layers with parchment paper to prevent any sticking or damage to your intricate designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.